then also I live in California, so you're cold in the morning and hot in the middle of the day like everyone. So I gotta, after I put the crutches on, put my sweatshirt, sweatpants.
Oh my gosh.
Which is harder to do than it looks because if it touches the wheel and you get holes in your clothing and stuff.
Right.
And then my backpack goes on the back.
And it's a heavy bag.
Huh?
And it's a very heavy bag.
It's a very heavy bag and it has lots of pockets.
Yeah.
Pockets help because when I need my protein shake or I need my extra change of clothes or my medicine or whatever, it's always got a lot of pockets. And I also bought this because when you're sitting in a wheelchair all day or using crutches, your phone constantly falls out of your pocket and breaks, your wallet falls out. So I bought this cute little bag. Goes around here.
Yeah.
And it's just easy because I can keep a pen or something right here,
and
my wallet in here,
and
then whatever I need.
Cool.
So this is the whole getup.
And what did you say about the hopping around? We it again.
I've been working out for a long time, and I've always studied balancing and hopping and jumping and gymnastics and stuff. So I'm very lucky. I've done a lot of training on one foot.
Yeah.
But for most people, when you get crutches or wheelchair, you're gonna want to hop because it makes things easier.
Yeah.
Sometimes in the middle of the night, it's just easier to hop a few feet than to grab the crutches and do all that.
Yeah.
But for me, it took me like 3 months before I injured my leg because I've trained for years.
Yeah.
Someone who does not go to the gym for hours a day and doesn't train or work out, I would recommend not hopping, or maybe train yourself to learn to hop. Like start with one, and then seriously, just very slowly. Because hopping's gonna be very tough if you have one limb. And I now have knee problems for the first time in my life because of it.